Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel Chroma Kids Creation. Today we are going to draw webarebears. You know who is Bear Bears? Webarebears is a delight show for kids and toddlers following the antics of three lovable bear brothers Grizzly, Panda and Ice Bear. Each have their unique personality, but together they make the perfect team. Grizzly is the fun-loving leader who always for adventure. Panda is the teachable self who loves his gadget and social media. Ice Bear is a strong and silent type with a talent for cooking. Kids enjoy watching webarebears because it's funny, heartwarming, and teach valuable lessons about friendship, kindness, and accepting others for who they are. With its lovable character and entertaining story, it's no wonder why kids cannot get enough for these three adorable bears. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the more videos.